Hi, welcome to my video on the TELESIN Universal Backpack Clip. Now this is the magnetic version. TELESIN also makes a non-magnetic version, but personally for the price you pay you might as well just go for the magnetic version rather than the non-magnetic version. Now this is what you get in the box. You get the clip itself and you get a thumb screw. And I like this thumb screw because it's able to be used with gloves. Now I picked this up on AliExpress for £11 and that includes the tax on there to the UK. And you can pick this up on Amazon, but it'd be double the price on Amazon. So it's worth going to AliExpress to pick this up. Now as I stated, this is the magnetic version and the magnet is the back plate at the back, obviously, and it has this nice kind of rubber coating that covers over the back of this clip and a nice rubber coating at the front of this clip with the words TELESIN written on the front. Clip's construction is mostly plastic and metal, with obviously a metal magnet in the back and a metal spring, well, double spring within the clip. And the rest of the clip is plastic. Stated this clip is suitable for your backpack. You can clip this onto any part of your backpack on the shoulder restraints on the backpack, and that's what it's really designed for. But also it can be freestanding, so you can use this as a stand as well. This backpack clip has a unique ball head mount J system on there, which I do love. It obviously works with GoPro style fingers, so even if you've got the DJI Action 2, 3 and 4 with their proprietary mounts, because they have a GoPro style fingers, you can use them in here along with any other action camera such as GoPro and SJ cams, and that, as long as they've got the GoPro style mount fingers. Now the ball head, as I said, is very unique because there's a little lever on there which tightens the ball head into any position, and if you release the lever you can move the ball head with your camera on there in any direction 360 degrees. And then when you found a position that you want, you simply pull the lever up and it will lock it into place. Attaching this to your backpack is quite simple. You simply press at the top of the clip or on the right side of the clip, simply press down and it will open up the jaws of this clip where there is several rows of teeth, top and bottom. Now the teeth are plastic, but they are very sharp, so beware of that. And you simply just place this onto the strap of your backpack and just simply release, and it will clip down onto your backpack shoulder strap. The jaws do open quite wide, up to a gap of 2 inches. And when it comes to the weight of this clip, without a camera on there, it weighs 114 grams. The length of it is 4 inches by 2 inches by 1 inch. As I stated before, it does have a very strong earth magnet on the back, which is coated with this rubber, which makes this non-scratch, so it won't scratch any surfaces that you place it on. As you can see, I'm jumping up and down, and this thing is not moving and not shifting and not falling off. So it's a nice powerful jaws that this clip has with these teeth. So if you're going on any expedition, holiday trips, etc., this is a brilliant item to have, to bring with you. As I stated, it can be clipped onto any bag strap or backpack strap with these nice teeth, or these nice jaws here, which are very powerful. I'll give it that, because just holding it there for a couple of seconds and I can feel it biting into my fingers. So yes, this is a great thing to have. As I stated before, it does double up as a nice stand for your camera as well. So It does double up as that, and with the magnet on the back, the earth magnet on there, you can at least attach this to anything metal as well. Thanks for watching the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. I perfectly understand my videos can be long, but I like to go into detail on the item or the product, so when you get it, you know what to expect. Please subscribe to my channel if you like the channel. I'll be grateful for that, and I'll see you next time.